going on, guys? Welcome back to Pat Outdoors. Today I've got both my KLX and the YZ250 on a U-Haul trailer. I'm bringing both of them to my buddy Justin's property so we can test them out. This is going to be his first time riding a dirt bike, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully he picks it up pretty quickly so we can go on more rides outside of e-bikes and the scooter rides to DC and whatnot. Unfortunately, it looks like it is going to storm today, maybe in the next hour or two, so hopefully we get enough ride time for today. Oh, this is as far as you've gone?
Yeah. Dude, I wonder...
That was pretty clear, though.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Like, we could almost do like a razor route.
Yeah, like set up a little course around it.
Yeah. It is, right?
Yeah. Want to go to side lap?
On the bike?
Yeah.
On the bike?
Yeah.
Wow, this is beautiful. And our voltage is getting low. I forgot to charge it yesterday after it did some top speed runs, so hopefully we'll make it back to Justin. right, guys, well, I wasn't planning on street riding today, but I'm glad that we did. We ended up taking a quick break at a local cidery just for a quick drink or two, and then we went back out in the neighborhoods, just did some pulls, messed around, let him bang through all the gears. He actually ended up topping out the KLX at 56 miles an hour, which I'm pretty shocked that that bike goes that fast. I've never put a speedo on it. Seemed like he got really used to the whole clutching and shifting really quickly, since he is a motorsports guy, so I'm not really that surprised, but I'm glad that he's getting used to it. We also stopped by a riverfront just for a quick break and enjoy the scenery, plan out a kayak trip coming up. One thing I noticed about the YZ today was the voltage sag. I forgot to charge it yesterday after I did some top speed runs, and then I forgot my charger at home. So I started the ride today with 81 volts. As you notice, I ended up leaving the KLX with him so he can practice it with more. I'm really trying to get him into this hobby so I can have another riding buddy. Got the YZ on, but it's about to start pouring down, so I got to get this YZ back in the garage as soon as possible, since I'm not trying to have any sort of battery problems today.